Congratulations, Akuzayon Idume, for your well-deserved award, Ambassadorial Youth African Award, given to you. Now, this Ambassadorial Youth African Award, if our group of youth, what are going into production, their product will generally accepted. What I go in West Africa here, with their headquarters in Ghana. So now, Bakinemu product madone batara fiofo na pop up na Facebook every minute like 0 bitters before you even think or say that no arrange. Manisi go do na arrange. J arrange Umupokiri Youth Award. Hapo unye award. We'll tell you congratulations. J arrange Isiokpo or Obiakpo Youth Forum Award. Hanye award recognize ya. We will come and congratulate you. Obasi one night work mathematical 01 school. Enye award. Congratulations. Now we believe it. Si Akuzayon congratulations. No no ye bend. 0 bitters deserve it. African pride. Even one mother corona manya wo Obalibogare, I will soon take delivery of my 100 cartons of 0 bitters. Fondenine, I did that. Fondenine na shatime benine. So for those people na shatime asem na hash of 0 bitters na shield in the next few days. It shows 0 bitters. I will package it to a ball name. Congratulate Akuzayon. It is an award well deserved. As a young entrepreneur, as a producer, but penetrated into the market newly. Owuna ije na search na Facebook. This money na pop up on everybody's timeline almost every second. Owuna go with this particular forum. Why will you not recognize Akuzayon? They followed Akuzayon to Nigeria here just to come and give him this award. It's sure. Arrange. Umunnago arrange bo award nyego. Nden nago shie arrange bo award nyego. Your old school, every secondary school, keba arrange bo award nyego. Even your university, every girl school arrange bo. Not even any group, any organization na university go la go. Now we go do association of Umu Okpokiri students in Abia State. How will award still congratulate Akuzayon on that arrange well-deserved award. But one yafa. Drag one year, Dovania Kagono Kataiga generator. Ono na de Mbowana no. Ono na de Mbowana no. And how many others of 0 bitters in Mwelu? I will deliver 100 cartons. You will see it. I will count it. You will see it. In fact, above 100 cartons, you will see it. Or other beer, Mande beer from outside. Mande beer river. Mande the madu kuigolu wakwe. 100 cartons of bar. 100 and something cartons. Ogo, you book another one. But take one enough here. But when 0 bitters advert, the more you people talk about it, the more people want to test that money. Onwere onye nwano pụtalo sị m na na ọkwa emi Facebook mana kedi mmanya wuzoro ọkpọ ya sị m ngwe na mmanya ọwụ na onye ọsị nke onye na-alụ mmanya ngwe na onye na-alụ mmanya ọsị m butere ya 2 cartons no I like ka m butere ya 2 cartons ka o wee mara ife do na mmanya. That is how popular you people melu mmanya and Akuzayon order, and all thanks to you people. Without you that feat will not be achieved, and I will encourage you to keep doing that. Olu Chineke kena, Chineke ji alu olu, mana ima ho. I wish Akuzayon more height. I wish 0 bitters to go more places. Eya amako umu mmanya bitters asi abagana. What I go? Mana maloka mmanya as wedo for people to locate Akuzayon because of how popular mmanya gagolo. I don't think no we go manya and buy people celebrating on Facebook at these Zorobitas. Onye na anwe na ba otirie manda akuza yo mma manda akuza yo na amoho onwe ndị nnafo he golie upon themselves nda onye hawo but they keep celebrating that drink, they keep celebrating that day because ndị Zion dalo no Zion nwere ngabasị ha na-eme without amanna. Most of those people for the have Zionites for the wound they like Zion ha na-eme without even expecting anybody to tell them thank you. They are doing it out of love. You people made it happen, both haters. On behalf of Akwa Zion, I am telling you people to continue. Congratulations, boss. Congratulations, my chairman. Congratulations to Zorobitas. More height, more greater height. I wish you, sir. See Akwa Zion, congratulations. No ga bende. No ga wagon ikwoye. Emalo no hiji we say mathematical. Congratulations for Bosi Ojerebere. Wolukwono gwa Akwa Zion. Congratulations. No ga bende. Ese na arrange. Jeko nukota arranging thing. Nde Bicycle Repairers Association. Habo onye gifa. Pa Wine Tappers Association. Habo onye giye. Association of Ndi Suku. Habo onye giye. Association of Ndo Ogboanya. Habo onye giye. We will still tell you congratulations. It's plenty. Congrats, my big boss. It's an award well deserved. This is coming from Ezugo and the well wishers. I love you all.